All right, people, I said I would create a video, and so that's what I'm going to do now. And well, clearly if you're watching, I've already created it, duh. All right, so if you're in block 2, we left off here. Block 1, it would not hurt you to watch this because some of y'all still didn't know what we were doing. So a scale factor, I should probably review this real quick just to keep in mind where this all is coming from. So let me pause and I changed my mind because I told y'all this video is going to be short. So I'm going to explain things as I go. So remember that K is our scale factor. So that's what we're multiplying everything by in order to get our new order pairs. So K is our scale factor. So here it says to find the scale factor, this is very important. To find the scale factor, you take the new, which is your prime. Yes, I want you to write this down. Your prime, and then divide it by the original. All right. So you take the prime and then you divide it by the original. So if I look here and I see that A prime is at negative 30. All right, so A prime is at negative 30, which is right there. A prime is at negative. Make sure you're watching to learn. Like, y'all, I'm talking slow, I'm being detailed. I'm still irritable from today. I'm sorry, I'm giving y'all attitude. All right, so make sure you're watching to learn. Okay, so I'm talking slow, I'm showing you everything. Don't watch the copy, watch to learn. It's not going to be that long, so watch to learn. So A prime is at negative 30, all right, and so it was moved from this A right here. So we're asking, well, how does A become A prime? So how does A negative 1 become negative 3? Well, multiplying, because we take the scale factor, we multiply by each order pair, we know that negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. So our scale factor is 3. What do we do with that 3? We multiply everything by 3. Because that's what the scale factor says, multiply everything by that order pair. So that's exactly what we're going to do. To figure this out, if you don't want to ask yourself how does the A become A prime, you can take the prime, which is right here, the prime order pair, which is negative 3, and divide it by the old order pair, or the original, negative 1, and you get 3. Now we know if we do 0 divided by 0, we're not going to get that. So we pick numbers that are not 0, okay? Pick numbers that are not 0. What did I just say? Pick numbers that are not 0 to find the scale factor. Because anything you multiply by 0, you're going to get 0. So don't do that. All right, so the scale factor is 3. So we take that 3 and we multiply every order pair by that. So we get 3, negative 6. We get negative 3 and negative 12. Excuse my handwriting. And we get negative 6, negative 9. And then we can check this. I'm going to check D, for instance. D is negative 6. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm right. All right. And so the image is blank than the pre-image. So the scale factor must be blank. So let's look at the image. The image, which is the prime, that's the prime, the image is what? It's larger. So if it's larger, hold up. If the image is larger than the pre-image, then the scale factor must be greater, K must be greater than 1, hence 3. So our scale factor is 3. So I went from small to large. All right, that's that. Let's keep moving. All right, over here, it says, draw a dilation of the quadrilateral ABCD with vertices blah, blah, blah. Use a scale factor of 1/3. So this is very important. A scale factor of 1/3, 1 over 3, means to divide by 3. If I take 9 and multiply it by 1/3, but come on, man, chill out with that. If I take 9 and multiply it by 1/3, basically I'm saying 9 over 1 times 1 over 3, which is going to give me 9 over 3, which is going to give me 3. So I know I said that fast. So again, if I take a scale factor of 1/3, that means to divide by 3. So that's what that means, all right? So is this going to be larger or smaller? Is this going to make this larger or smaller? K is less than 1, so it's going to reduce the image. You know, people that watch the video are going to write down everything I said. That's how I'm going to check to make sure you write down everything I said, because the other people are going to get a special present because I'm not playing. All right, so take every ordered pair and divide it by 3. So 0 divided by 3 is still 0. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. All right, so now these are my primes. So it says draw a dilation. So I need to go to 0, 4. So if I'm at 0 and I go to 4, 0, 1, show the pen tool, 1, 2, 3, 4 is right here. And then I need to go to 3, 3. So I go over 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Let me put my point, that's A prime. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, B prime and D are going to share the same point. B prime. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's going to be C. C prime. And then 1, 1, which is right here, it's going to be D prime. And now I graph the image. Come down like so, go over like so, go down like that, and go over like that. All right, that's my image. Last one. I told y'all this video is going to be less than 10 minutes long, and I'm keeping my word. You just need to keep your word and watch it. It says, example 4, find the scale factor of the dilation. So if I'm going to define a scale factor, I take the new, remember this, new divided by old. New divided by old. New divided by old. Hey. All right, that's what we do. I know that was weak because I'm so tired. I'm sorry. I'll do better next time. All right, so in order for me to do that, I need to find out what A prime is, because A prime is right here. It's this order pair right here. So that's -1, +2. -1, +2. Well, let's ask ourselves, well, the numbers are clearly getting smaller, right? So if I look at 10, the y of the A and the y of the A prime, how does 10 become 2? Well, I'm definitely not multiplying by a number greater than 1, because this image went from here and then it went to here. So it got smaller. So I'm definitely not multiplying by something greater than 1. So how do I figure that out? Some of y'all are just like, oh, I know. But if you don't know, you take the new divided by old, or the prime, write this down, prime divided by the original, or you want to say the image divided by the pre-image. So you can take the 2 and divide it by 10, because the 2 is the new point divided by the old point, and get 1 over 5, which means, y'all remember what I did over here? When I did over here, 1/3, which is right here, it means to do what? Divide everything by 3. So what does 1/5 mean? Divide everything by 5. 5. Divide, write this down. I'm about to run out of time. By 5. So we divide everything by 5. I might be a couple of seconds over. All right, so -5 divided by 5 is -1. 10 divided by, oh, sorry. I wrote that in the wrong space. So in order to figure this out, my bad, y'all. My bad. So I put that right there. That's where that goes. So let's find B. The order pair for B. B is right here. The order pair for B, this is my origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is 5, 0. And therefore divide that by 5 is 1, 0. B prime, 1, 0. Got you. C is 1, negative 1. Sorry. C is right here. I did C prime. So C prime, C, actually not C prime. Get your life together, Miss O'Neill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And then C prime is negative 1, negative 1. That's negative 5, y'all. How did I figure that out? I've divided everything by 5. So the scale factor is 1/5. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all. I'm going to quiz you on this tomorrow, so make sure you know what you're talking about. I said this video is going to be 10 minutes long. It's less than 10 minutes long. I got like a couple of seconds to go. This has been another Beast Mode production. I'm out.